Hey everyone, today I'll compare Coursera and DataCamp. Coursera and DataCamp are popular online learning platforms, but they differ in their focus and offerings. Coursera is an online platform offering various courses and certificates in collaborations with top universities around the world. It offers a wide selection of subjects, from technology and business to humanities and health. The courses are designed to cater to various learning styles, with video lectures, assignments, quizzes, and peer-reviewed projects. Coursera also enables flexible learning, allowing students to learn at their own pace or follow a set schedule. The platform offers both free and paid options, with the opportunity to earn certificates that are recognized by top employers. Additionally, learners can pursue accredited online degrees from renowned institutions, expanding career opportunities. The Coursera's mobile app allows users to access content on the go, providing convenience for busy individuals. The platform also fosters a collaborative environment, with a community of learners and instructors sharing insights and feedback. On the other hand, DataCamp is an online learning platform that specializes in data science, offering courses on topics like Python, SQL, and more. It is designed for both beginners and experienced professionals looking to enhance their data skills. The platform offers interactive coding exercises, allowing learners to practice in real time as they go through the course. DataCamp provides a hands-on learning experience with practical projects and assignments. One of its main strengths is its clear and concise explanations, making complex topics easier to understand. It offers a variety of learning paths tailored to different career goals, such as data analyst or data scientist. However, some users have pointed out that the subscription cost can be high, especially for those who are only interested in a few courses. The platform's interface is intuitive, and the mobile app allows for convenient learning on the go. However, it doesn't offer as much depth as some other platforms, which may not be sufficient for those looking for advanced study. Additionally, it lacks the community-driven aspects, which might feel isolating for some learners. Overall, DataCamp is a solid choice for those looking to build foundational data skills or advance their career in data science. While Coursera's flexibility includes a broader selection of topics, DataCamp excels offering interactive learning with real-time coding environments. If you're looking for a wide range of subjects and potential to earn formal credentials or degrees, Coursera is a better choice. It is ideal for those seeking a comprehensive education with certifications from prestigious universities. However, if your main focus is developing practical, hands-on skills specifically in data science, DataCamp stands out with its interactive approach. If you're into data science and prefer more interactive experience, DataCamp is great. For broader education or formal degrees, Coursera is a better fit. The best platform depends on your learning goals. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.